So we're in Colorado, we're in Boulder. And there is a little town up in the mountains called Leadville. And it's about 10,000 feet high. And every year in August, they hold a 100-mile running race. They also do a mountain bike race as well, similarly 100 miles. So imagine my surprise when at the end of one of the Leadville races, I'm talking to the lady who's serving up the potato soup. And I know this is dark 30 in the tent at the finish. And she's telling me a little about the history of Leadville. And who would think it, but a block or two away from the finish line is a shul. So the highest shul in America is in Leadville at 10,000 feet, and it survived being burnt down at least once, and it has been restored to beautiful health. And if you go wander off down one of the roads, there's a cemetery, and you can turn down one of the dirt roads which goes in the cemetery and go all the way down to the end, and you will find some 19th century cast iron railings and a gate, and at the top of the gate it says Hebrew Cemetery. And you can go through that gate, and there you can see a collection of mitzvahs from the Jewish community of the 19th century that was up there in Leadville. So the shul is still standing, and as I said, they've done a beautiful job restoring it. And how does that connect to the outside world? Well, Leadville is where the Guggenheims made their money. So when you're in New York visiting the Guggenheim Museum, you can think about Leadville, Colorado, up at 10,000 feet, and that's where it all came from.